In this video, I will show you how to make this adjustable flare skirt with front zipper and side pocket. It is inspired by the ones at the side. Please keep watching. I am Agnes. Welcome to my channel. So with Agnes, please like, please share, and please subscribe to my channel. This is 3 yards of Ankara fabric. Measurement we'll be using at the waist 36 inches, then the length of 24 inches. To fold the fabric, we will use the length and the radius. So for the length we have 24 inches, but since we'll be having band of 1.5 inches, so remove the 1.5 from the 24, so we have 22.5 inches plus 1 inch, that is 23.5. so that will be the length for the skirt. Then for the radius we have 36, which is the waist measurement, plus 1 inch, that is 37. We divide it by 3.14, that is the formula for half circle. So after divided it, I have 11.78, so I rounded it off by 12 inches. So that is what we'll fold, that is 23.5 plus 12 inches, that is 35.5. So fold the fabric. Since we have to mark fold and mark on the wrong side, so I have to check which part is the wrong and which part is right. So I marked the wrong side with my chalk and I fold. So I fold the fabric equal, it's 2 yards like I said, then I fold again like a cone, leaving 1 inch for zipper. The zipper will be at the front. I marked my 1 inch. Connected the points with a straight line using my straight ruler. Then I place that folded area on top of the 1 inch like a cone. So this is how it looks. Just trying to align it well. Now pin it that it can be stable when marking. So we'll mark now. From the top, I'll mark the radius of 12 inches. Then I'll go up by ½ inch. So I'm checking for the length. So what I have there after folding, I have 37 inches. So I continue marking my 12 inch, then I went up by ½ inch for the ½ inch. You know, we have to join the band. When marking the length, we'll place the tape measure 1.5 inches above on the 12 inches mark, then we'll mark the length. We'll connect the line. So before cutting, I have to check what I have on the waist. So I have 9.5 inches multiplied by 4. I have 38 inches, which is okay. So I cut the radius on the ½ inch that I went up by, and I cut out the length. So for my length, I have 24 inches. So I open it. I open the side, the folded side. This is the back and this is the front. On the front panel, I marked my pocket. That is from the ½ inch, I marked 7 inches down, then I notch it. I notch also the ½ inch. So I'll use this for the pocket, 7 inches by 9 inches length. The width is 7 inches, the length is, so I'll use this one, shape it like this for the one pocket. After I use it to cut the other one, I open it. I have two pockets now. So to sew the pockets, I'll place it right side facing each other on each panel. We have four. So two for the back, then two for the front. So I'll sew half inch, then I'll top stitch. So this is what I have. I've sewn and I've top stitched it as well for both the back and the front panel. And I've also sewed the front, the zipper area. So I'll place it like this now. I'll pin it well, align and pin it well. So I align and pin it well from the waist to the pocket side. On both ends, then on the side. So I mark the half inch. Now we have to join the band to it. Mark the half inch up. So after marking the half inch, I marked my waist measurement of 36 divided by 4, that is 9, on both sides from the center, from that center front. The pocket area I will sew half inch, then at the side I will sew 1 inch for both sides. So after sewing, this is what I have. I ironed it neatly. See the pockets, neatly done. So I turn it over again to the wrong side. I open the zipper area. After opening the zipper area, I'll measure the waistline, what I have. So I have 39.5 inches. The band is 42 inches long and 4 inches wide. It's on fold 1.5 inch. Then I added 1 inch for the joining. So I folded half inch, then I marked half inch on top to join to the skirt. So I notch the center of the band, then I notch again the center back of the skirt where I will start to sew. So I pin the 2 notch area like this, the right side of the band on the wrong side of the skirt. Then I pin it right through, then I sew half inch. So this is what it looks like. I close both ends of the band, then I cut out the excess. So this is what is it. So after I will close it, I will top stitch like this, tuck that half inch inside, and I top stitch. It's so neat inside and outside. I also iron the zipper allowance. So I place it right side facing each other like so. And this is the zipper. The zipper is 31 inches long. It's an open zipper. And from the bottom part, I mark 3 inches. That is where the zipper will start from. So after fixing the zipper, I realized that the zipper edge should be at the down part, not at the up. since it's an adjustable flare skirt. So this is how it looks. So I'm sorry guys, I didn't record that part. So I am the bottom. So our skirt is finished. Thank you for watching. I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.